I haven't brought up relativity as being observable or provable or anything. I'm talking about gravity, which is Newtonian, not Einsteinian.
If you believe in the current model of Earth, then you subscribe to relativity.
I'm not talking about that right now. You can empirically verify that mass attracts mass.
You know, gravity does not work on the quantum scale. So, you know, of course, to be fair,
it's not claiming to work on that scale, so that's not a problem.
Okay, so you are conceding that gravity is not cohesive with observations on the quantum level.
Sure. 100% mass attracts mass.
How do you detect the Earth moving around the sun from the Earth?
There's many ways to do that.
You said something was hanging?
Hanging from a wire, yes.
Okay, where's the wire coming from?
It's connected to a gimbal at the top.
Where's the gimbal connected to?
The gimbal is connected to the apparatus to hold it up.
Okay, what's the apparatus connected to, Machian?
Could you just get to your point?
Whatever the gimbal's connected to is connected to the Earth. There is no independent frame of reference, Machian.
I don't really care for your words and semantics there. There are many ways to measure the orbit of the Earth around the sun. So,
but he just can't name them. And if McToon's saying there are ways to directly measure the Earth's orbit around the sun, then he's claiming relativity is incorrect, but he's too incompetent to grasp what relativity actually says, so he projects his own intellectual ineptitude onto me.
No result.
A negative result would be evidence for a stationary Earth.
No, it's not, in fact. It's quite the opposite. It's a nothing result.
And in that experiment, if the Earth were stationary, what would you measure?
What would you measure if the Earth was stationary with the Michelson-Morley experiment?
You'd have the same thing.
Question of how do you measure stationariness is a stupid question. If the Earth is stationary, then any attempt to detect motion of the Earth would be negative. You don't measure stationary. That's stupid.
You can measure stationary. Of course you can. You create a device that's designed to measure rotation. If it comes up with zero rotation, you've measured stationariness.
So when we measure for orbit, we get none.
Oh, I said rotation, not orbit.
Orbit is a rotation.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for playing.
Yeah.
Do you concede and agree with Einstein that the Machian principle is valid? Yes or no?
I'm not. No, I don't know.
Does it physically contract overall?
Within our reference frame, I will say that it does not.
But in reality, it does. It's just our whole reference frame also contracts, right? So you don't understand it.
Oh, I certainly do.
No, you don't. You literally don't.
All right, come on.
Are you starting to notice that, like, you can't debate me about it? But I would like to say, though, McToon, can you please do me a favor? Because, like, just to continue in good faith, I would really prefer if you would just be honest and you would concede the first part, which is that you concede the validity in the Machian principle and that you must according to... Can you just concede that part?
I'm sorry, no.
So you disagree with Einstein?
I don't know. Whatever. Don't care.
Oh, my God. What did relativity do to reconcile those negative results?
I don't know. Don't care.
The whole position that you hold is that the evidence does support a stationary Earth.
No, it doesn't.
But literally your position is that the evidence supports that the sun moves around the Earth, that the Earth is stationary, but that since relativity is true.
No, that's not my position.
No, this is objective.
This is objectively you strawmanning me. That's not my position.
No. Relativity says that although the result and the evidence appears to show us that the Earth is stationary, it's actually just an illusion.
Whatever. It doesn't help you.
So you agree with that, though, right?
No, it does not appear to be stationary.
What did relativity put forward that reconciled the negative results?
Yeah, coming up with better experiments. Like Michelson.
Relativity put forward coming up with better experiments?
Yeah, you asked a question, I answered it. Better
that
experiments
isn't an answer.
In the future. It absolutely is.
Oh my God. That isn't the answer.
Oh, it is. It is the answer. So, you don't like it. I don't care that you don't like it. It hurts you because it contradicts your desperately held position, but I don't care. It doesn't matter.
This is crazy.
The answer. That's the answer, Austin.
That isn't the answer because he had not done better experiments yet. Just like you said, he's not a time traveler. So he wouldn't be claiming that relativity reconciled something by something that happens in the future. That's ridiculous.
Yeah,
he's obviously saying that relativity helped reconcile the negative results they had up to that time. So the question is, well, what does relativity specifically do that helps fix that problem of negative results?
I don't know. You go ahead, Austin. Say it. Go ahead.
It's not a logical fallacy. It's been measured.
Can it be recreated in a controlled experiment on Earth?
It doesn't need to be.
I'm talking about the harmonic nature of the sun and the moon. You're laughing and you just now said zillion to 1 odds is realistic.
I don't give a damn about the odds. It doesn't matter at all. So you're saying that Kepler's laws don't work?
I'm saying that they've never been recreated on Earth.
So what?
Specify what type of refraction is causing that to happen.
This looks to me like a coefficient of refraction of 2 or more.
That is not a type of refraction.
I don't care. I don't care to categorize the refraction. I don't care for the categories. Pressure requires containment. I'll take that, yes. There is no claim that there's a pressure adjacent to a vacuum. There is containment, and it is gravity.
Okay, so high pressure will migrate to the low pressure?
Yes, but somehow, where this balloon is, it didn't happen. Strange.
It's still within the containment, Mattoon.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Exactly.
You had a bunch of the same people that are in your chat right now pretending I'm stupid.
Yeah.
But you didn't understand that even though Lorentz contraction was originally postulated,
it's your giant ego, Austin. Your massively huge ego that does require a container.
Not everybody can be a robot polisher.
As witless, you would need to have more than a 6th grade education to talk about grown-up topics like relativity. Yep.
This is bad, bro. This is painful, man. This is why I almost didn't agree to do it.
You haven't supported your claim. You're saying the natural antecedent. I say it again.
Natural antecedent to gas pressure is containment.
Yeah, and okay, so I agreed to containment. Yep.
Physical containment.
Oh, physical. Okay.
Stop playing semantics. This is wizardry.
Yeah,
You keep doing that.
I have my intuitive version of the world that thinks that the Earth is rotating and spherical. This is so dishonest. Oh, yeah, you just don't understand. You're out of your league. So much smarter than him. I'm Austin. I'm so smart.
all the people that think they're smarter than Einstein. It's so funny.
Oh, you're so dumb.
Orbit is a rotation.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh, you're stupid.
Einstein, that the Machian principle is valid, yes or no?
I'm not. No, I don't know.
You're so stupid. How can you be that stupid?
Just our whole reference frame also contracts, right? So you don't understand it.
Oh, I certainly do.
No, you don't. You literally don't.
All right, come on.
Okay, let me explain it to you.
Oh my gosh. You should definitely get yourself fitted for an iron lung in case you forget to breathe. Oh my gosh, you're stupid.
You're just such a moron.
So you disagree with Einstein?
I don't know. Whatever. Don't care.
Oh my God.
Oh, I mean, seriously, I don't want to be mean, but you deserve it. You do. All right, put your helmet on and go to bed. Oh my gosh. Oh. And his tiny little brain thinks, I'm smart. I'm so smart.
What did relativity do to reconcile those negative results?
I don't know. Don't care. No, you're not. No, you're not. Oh, gosh, you're so dumb. No, it does not appear to be stationary. You're so dumb. Oh my gosh. You don't know, Austin. You don't understand these topics.